Hey, what's up? This is a demo for Paymaster Gameless or Paymaster Gasless technology on Coinbase with base.org. This is built a game basically to provide an experience for minting using zero fees with the wallet. So let's go ahead and
Get
check that
ready.
out.
Stamp Match Mania is starting
Okay.
now.
It's available out
Match
here at
all
Gina.
5 pairs to win big.
It's available out here at gina.jetstreaming.io demo-base-campaign.html. Anyway, a little matching game. Nothing too fancy here, but it is randomized, and we are here to collect the stamps. So we'll do that. Okay, so now we've won. We won our prize. We matched 5 rare stamps. We're gonna claim our prize now. It'll go out, create the wallet, mint the NFT, and then provide a link to it on the blockchain explorer right here. So that is the gasless demo. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.